Hey guys, today I got a happy pack, Topps Chrome. Got it on eBay for like $65. The local car shop was $75, so it's $10 more. So I decided to get it on eBay, and it's free shipping. Happy Bucks, Topps Chrome. It's my favorite brand. Here's the box number right there. Let's see what it say here. Nothing. Let's open up and see what's in there. This will be probably my last box. Again, this should have two autos per box. Hopefully, I get something nice, maybe a redemption. Would that be nice? Open up, and here's what it looks like. And let's see how many box, how many pack. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, about 24 packs, I guess. Should have two autos. Pack one. I'm not gonna say all the base. I'm just going through them. I'm not gonna make the video very long. Hopefully, I can do this in 10 minutes. And for my PC, Steven Piscotty. Put this around here. You Impact, nice. Bed faucet. Too bad it wasn't an autograph. I wish it was. And just, oh, nice. Seeing 1-0, the final boss, closer for the Cardinals. Nice. For my PC. Oh, another one. Walker. So far, good start for my PC. Hopefully, maybe I get a redemption, which I doubt it. Would that be nice? Any future stars of Noah Syndergaard, Prism, Refractor. And Jose Bautista, Prism. Flipping the bat again. Tom Murphy, rookie. Syndergaard again. Trent Lecky, Prism. No, Refractor. Greg Bird, and a rookie of Carl Edwards. Trey Turner. Nothing great about that pack. No autos yet. Brian Buxton. Robert Stevenson. Jimmy Kimmel. Pujols. Times Ross. Awesome. This guy's out of entire year. He's injured. So you impact. Chicago. No student autograph yet. Hopefully I can get one soon. Yelich, Crutchell, Kepler, and Corey Seager, rookie. 7 good year this year, Seager. Doolittle, Onaro, Helen Ramirez, Bridge Protector, and Aaron Nola, rookie. Hopefully I get a Korea, so that'd be nice. Auto. I get a Kepler. A Future Stars, Blaine Swinehurst, and Nick. Still no auto. Jose Fernandez, Gallo, Luke Jackson, Ronnie Castillo, Brian Dushier, Carlos Robert, Perspective, and Kento Marte. And the first auto is Ellen Henson. I don't know. I never heard of this guy. It's one auto. Wainwright. And Future Stars of Jorge Soler. Cespedes. Cano. Hamos. And a green Future Stars of JD Martinez. It's number only 99. A green one. I've never seen a green one. Here it is. Goodness. Ramirez. Blue. Robinson Cano. Prism. Reflector. And Stephen Piscotty. Rookie. One more auto to go. There's a pro person reflector. James Shields. About 4 more packs to go. One of them should be an auto. Else I'm calling top. Kinsley. Future Stars of Coast Korea. Chrome. Good. Perspective. Robinson Cano. Must be a Robinson Cano pack. Stroman. Jason Hayward. And here's my second auto. Gold. AJ Reed. It's only number out of 50. 5 out of 50. Gold auto. I don't know who this guy is. AJ Reed. I know AJ Styles, the wrestler. This AJ Reed. Jellicoe. And who is it? 3 more packs to go. A-Rod. And the gold, a purple Miguel Sano. Number out of 275. And no redemption. So we're hoping to get another redemption. Harry Owens. Final Park. And John Gray. And the last pack. AJ Pollock. Jorge Lopez. Tyler Nightwing rookie. And Madison Bumgarner. Thank you guys for watching. And my water bottle because it's so hot. Talk to you later. I'll see you next time on my next video.